I always knew I wanted to be a parent. That is probably because I had good role models in it. There was nothing about me that ever wondered if I wouldn't like it. I knew that I would.
My name is Nancy Bina, and I am the mom of Ellen Bina Koenig.
I am the one she just mentioned, Ellen Bina Koenig, and I am the daughter of Nancy Bina. Something I've always seen in Mom that I felt as a child, that I've seen as she grandparents, is this way that she's so genuinely interested in the life of a child, in the inner world of a child. And I have always also been fascinated by that. Like I always knew I would figure out the skill part of raising children, but kids themselves are this like wonderful, amazing group of people who like, I want to know everything that's going on inside their little minds. That formed me for parenthood more than any sort of something I read or conversations I had, was this model from Mom in particular.
Once I had a child, I was utterly amazed. I just went, oh my gosh, why did no one ever tell me?
They're the coolest.
This is so astounding. And watching things happen and watching that whole growth process, whether it's emotional or mental or physical, is absolutely earth-shaking. Nobody told me. It's great.
It's like asking somebody to describe how cold the water is before you jump in. And you can be standing on the dock for a really long time asking somebody to describe the experience of wetness or coldness or hotness or sand under their toes. But until you jump in, you don't have any context for understanding what all of those
Exactly.
what all of those like descriptions are rooted in.
The truth of the matter is there's fear, there's heartache, there's devastation sometimes. Hang on to the people around you who can help you through those things. But you don't have to do any of it by yourself.
My brother passed away by suicide several years ago. And it was not because he was unloved or that he doubted our love. It was because he was sick, and that's that. And in a lot of ways, like my motherhood is based on my mom's motherhood. This is my model for motherhood is Nancy. And I saw that Nancy lost a child, and I lost my brother. And that was never not part of my pregnancy. It never not part of my mothering.
When I think of Louie, it breaks my heart. It always will break my heart. But I think one thing that he understood from all of us was that we absolutely loved him. And I remember having him captive in the car one time, and I said, Lou, I couldn't love you any more than I do. It would be impossible for me to love you any more than I do. And he said, I know it. And so the love is everything. It's all of it. And sometimes it's not enough, but that doesn't mean you stop. That means you just keep doing it. And I will. I love you guys so much. I will never, ever stop.
Love you, Mom.
I love you, Elle.